All right, guys, welcome to another tutorial. This is going to be a quick one. I want to show you how to sign up your downline in Learnify. All right, as a member of Learnify, don't forget that you make a lot of money if you refer people, though it is not mandatory, but I want to tell you it is a secret weapon for you to make faster money on Learnify. Every individual you refer to Learnify, you make 3,500 naira. Assuming you refer 5 people in a week, just do the calculation. 3,005 times 5 will give you about 20-something thousand naira in a week. Let's say you refer 10 people. That is going to give you 70K in a, no, 35K in a week. Boy, that's so much. That's so much. I don't think you want to miss this kind of opportunity. So how do you sign up your people under you? Now, one of the things I need to share with you is always try to make sure that your downline send you their own information. Try to do the registration by yourself so that you can be sure, you can be sure that you earn your commission. But if they are to do it themselves, all you need is you give them your link. Once you sign up into your dashboard, scroll down, you will see copy referral link. You see copy referral link. Sorry, I'm using my laptop to do this tutorial. I know a lot of you will be using your phone. It is the same thing. All right. So you click on your link. Once you click here, your link is copied. All right. Your link is copied. So what do you do next? Let me go to my incognito browser. You paste that link. Once you paste that link, it's going to open up. Now you need to make sure that once you open this page, look under here, say invited by Flow with me. Okay. Make sure that it is your name or username that is here. Otherwise, the person you'll be registering under admin. Once you register under admin, that is you're paying the money to the company. You are not going to earn any reward. So make sure, that's why it is important for you to copy your affiliate link properly. Make sure you copy it properly here. Just click on this and copy it. Once you copy it, you paste it on your browser and boom, you're ready to go. So once this is done, you have to write the full name of your prospect. Let's say the person's name is David, right? David. You write the person's name, right? Full name, put the person's email. The person will tell you his or her preferred username. Get the username, write it, put a password, put the phone number, and then the coupon code. This coupon code, without this coupon code, nobody can register on Learnify, okay? So you come here, you see where to buy. On the home page, you see where to buy. So you can collect the money from your downline and help the downline to buy. Just come here, and there are vendors, right? These are vendors approved by the company to sell coupon code. Like, let me see the person I buy from. Can't see him or her here. All right, you can buy from anyone, right? This one is accepting, is selling, taking his payment via UBS. So just click on any of them and make purchase. Once you click, they'll take you to their WhatsApp group. Go there, pay the 4,005, bring the money. They'll give you the code. You put the code here. If your downline gave you the money, buy the code, come here, put the code, and choose your package, Learnify 4005, click on agree, and click on register. Boom. Once that happens, you are a member of Learnify. Once you successfully register your downline following this guide, the Learnify will credit your balance with 4,500 naira. 3,500 naira. and your downline is going to get 2,500. So you see that it is a win-win situation for everybody. Guys, if you can do this referral every blessed day, how do you refer? Just share this on your WhatsApp status, share this on your Facebook groups, your WhatsApp group, share it on your TikTok account, and I tell you, in the next few days, you're going to start making a lot of money. So guys, if this has helped you in any way, please subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell, and also drop a comment. Just type in the comment section, learnify. Just type there, learnify, learnify, learnify. Type there so that this video can go viral, so that YouTube can show this video to many more people. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Thank you. See you in the bank. Catch you in my next one. Bye.